Hello everyone on the Mobile Styles Instagram et al. I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys today. I'm going to be making a very spooky, childlike, zombie, cool, pigtails, creepy baby thing. So the first thing I'm going to do is put a bunch of foundation on my face so I can get an even amount of coverage, and I'm using Physicians Formula, the healthy foundation. I bought this in a CVS probably. I'm a big proponent of drugstore makeup, so you will be seeing a whole lot of drugstore makeup in this tutorial. Okay, and now I'm going to put in a little bit of contour in my cheeks because I'm gonna look a little sullen, of course. This is from a Ben Nye pack that I got from, you can get it from like any Halloween store, like a spirit. A little bit right here. So you wanna find your natural parting of your cheekbone. Mine's about right here. You can see it if you just shine a light directly on it and see what part has a shadow. Very simple. So, oh, there's the shadow. Just trace into the shadow. And boom, contour. I'm only adding a little right now. I'll add more later. Gonna move to the brows. I'm going to make them a super dark color. I'm gonna be using this color right here. So for the eyebrows, I am tracing my natural brow at first, and then I'm going to make them a bit bigger and a bit more wild. So next I'm going to be doing the tops of my eyes. You should start from the top of your face and work your way down, is what I like to always say. And first I'm going to be putting some primer all over my eyes. This is Urban Decay. I know I said I'm a big proponent of drugstore makeup, and I really am, but I think you should spend a lot of money on eyeshadow. My personal opinion. So for my eyeshadow, I will be using Naked Smoky by Urban Decay. So first I'm going to cover my whole lid in this color. Okay, now I want it a little more black in the corners. I'm going to go to the Naked 2 palette by Urban Decay. The color Blackout. I'm just going to put it in the corners of my eyes. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is smear a little bit of that black on the topless of my eyeballs. So for like a little bit of eyeliner, a little bit of messy eyeliner. I know you're probably thinking, oh, how spooky is this? Just you wait. Going back to the Ben Nye kit, we're using this light color. We're gonna put it all underneath our eyes. And I mean glob it all above the cheekbone as much as possible. Just everywhere. I'm gonna put a little bit in up here. I have a heart-shaped face, so when you want to contour a heart-shaped face, you go like a 3 on both sides of your face. There's a lot of different kinds of face shapes. Look in a mirror, see what kind of face shape you have. Figure out how to contour that kind of a face shape and over-exaggerate it. And it's all different aspects of, you know, here, here, and here. And just how you contour those. Okay, now with another darker color. How about the same one you used on your eyebrows? Come out and trace it a little bit. So now, I'm going to go back to the purple that I covered the back of my eyelids with. I'm going to start putting that a little bit under my eyeballs. So you get a nice bruise. You're going to take that same color, and you're going to lightly brush it on the insides of your nose, like this. Connecting it to the sullen that we made up here. underneath your eyeballs. Now brush it down a little bit. Blend it. Blend, 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 blend. Best friend is blending. So now we're gonna get crazy. We're gonna take some Maybelline cream eyeshadow, black, always waterproof, and their little brush. Now I like to pinch it a little bit and wheel it so it gets it all flat. And we're gonna start drawing cracks down my face. Alright, now that you have these beautiful little lines done all over your face, we have to figure out how to cover up the very obvious not coming out of your eyes effect. How do we do that? Well, I'm going to take that little smudgy brush, smudge it in that Naked palette black that we used earlier. We're just going to rub it underneath our eyes. Just smudge it very lightly. Try not to put your hand on your design, beautiful design that you've just done. Now smudge it down a little bit further. Then you're going to take dark red. So I'm gonna mix these two colors, purple and a red. I'm gonna put them above the black, really in this crease. And now for some fun. I'm gonna make a little bludgeon right up here. Well, actually first, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add a little bit more gray to these up here. Alright, so the three lipsticks I'm combining are all from Maybelline: Red Revival, Raging Raisin, and Concrete Jungle. Just gonna take a little bit. Mix these together. Needs more red. Now here's the thing. What am I doing? If you don't have fake blood at home, mixing up some lipsticks can be rather helpful. Really good blood can be quite expensive, and cheap fake blood can look real crappy. So what we're gonna do is take some of this napkin and rip it up into tiny little shreds. You're gonna dip and stick. You're gonna dip and stick. Okay, so now once you got all of that tissue in there, get that Maybelline, start decorating your forehead. Well, if I do say so myself, that looks pretty cool. Step is clean your hands off. And to seal this, I would spray hairspray on it, but I don't want to seal this because I don't want to be wearing this all night. I am not going to a Halloween party. I am going to my kitchen to eat dinner. I am gonna put a little brown on this napkin and blot it around the edges very carefully. And there you have it. I'm nice and bloody. Now, one of the final touches, I'll be putting on black lipstick. Don't remember where I got this. It's not Wet n Wild. I'll tell you that for sure. I think what I'm gonna do is wipe a little bit of blood on my cheek here. And we all know this brand. Pink and green, Maybelline. Alright, here is my completed zombie look. I'm gonna get dressed, do my hair, and I'm gonna show you guys it in action.
She was murdered.